Hello, kids. Today, we are going to practice your reading comprehension. Are you ready? Let's begin. Today, we will read about a fish. A fish lives in water. Fish can swim fast. Now your turns to read. Fish has fins and tail. Fish breathes through gills. Now your turns to read. Some fish are big, and some are small. Fish is of many colors. Now your turns to read. Fish eats plants and tiny animals. Fish lays eggs in the water. Now your turns to read. Now give the correct answers of the following questions. Where does a fish live? A, in the water. B, on the land. C, in the trees. Answer: a fish lives in the water. What helps a fish swim? A, wings. B, fins and tails. C, legs. Answer: a fish swims with the help of fins and tail. How does a fish breathe? A, through gills. B, through its nose. C, through its mouth. Fish breathes through gills. What do fish eat? A, plants and tiny animals. B, cakes and cookies. C, grass and leaves. Answer: fish eats plants and tiny animals. Good job, kids. See you in the next lesson. Subscribe to our channel to keep your learning adventure with us.